How to send photos in TikTok message. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can send photo in TikTok messages. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing that we'll need to do is make sure that our TikTok is up to date to its latest version. So head over to your App Store or Play Store and simply search for TikTok. And if you see an update button like this, tap on the update button to update it. After you do that, you can open up your TikTok and head over to the inbox section. On your inbox section, tap on the profile or tap on the video where you want to send the photo in. Tap on it and there you can simply, click on this icon right here on the bottom right corner and choose a photo that you want to send. Tap on send and this is how you send a photo from gallery. Now you can also take a picture. Simply tap on the camera icon on the bottom left. Now take a picture and then send it. And that is how you can send photo in TikTok message. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.